Are there any little children here? Is the little girl here?
I actually feel a lot calmer right here. I don't know if that's just, I'm getting used to it, but I feel calmer.
Yeah, it's definitely different down here than it is up there. How's that recording machine going? Still going? Yeah. Good. How's the K2s? Any hits? Nope, not since we've been here, no.
What's that?
I said, what was that beeping? Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask you. Was that the camera?
What's that in the hand?
No, that's not this.
It beeped twice and then snapped.
No, that was different. The
Oh,
beep
okay.
before I hit the button.
Is that like a hospital beep?
That's kind of what it sounded
Yeah,
like.
like one of those machines almost.
Yes.
Huh.
Is somebody's machine going off? Does someone need help? Do they need a doctor?
Can you tell us why were you admitted?
Oh, what was that?
What was that?
It came from that way, didn't it?
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, I heard it too.
Can you make that noise again?
Sounded like a voice, almost like.
We heard you. Can you come up and touch one of these machines?
And let us know if you were a patient or a nurse or doctor, just by touching it so we know if you're here. Do you need help?
Take some photos just with the regular camera now. Keep gravitating towards this way. Does it go this way
Huh?
or over there?
Kind of more towards this way, but I, for some reason, want to keep taking pictures and stuff there. I don't know why, but.
You have a K2, baby.
Yeah, you guys want to walk down there with 1K2 and we'll walk down here with
Yeah.
1K2 and see what kind of hits we get?
Is someone down here trying to get our attention?
Is there someone on this side trying to talk to us?
Is there something that you'd like to say?
Oh man.
Are you okay?
Did you just
I don't know, just a feeling.
A weird feeling?
Yeah. thick all of a sudden. Oh! Felt like I got touched on the back of my head.
It could have been, there's something hanging over there.
Oh.
Right there hanging down.
I don't see anything. No, no, no.
Are you a patient on this side? Needing some help?
That's what I thought. I'm being drained.
Jeez Louise.
Yep. I'm
What
being
kind of
drained.
batteries are those again? AAA's, right?
Yeah, and that's what's happening. That's why I've...
Well, here. Here, I have it around my neck. Hang on, wait.
Oh, I'm out. I'm dead.
For 1 second.
Oh, God. Yep, I knew it.
When we get back, they'll see. I think I have some in my pocket. Can you refill your thing again? Jeez, they really like your flashlights.
I know it.
They're taking a lot of energy from over you.
I know it.
All right, well, I haven't gotten any K2s on this side.
You guys,
Other than it's more chillier over here for some reason.
I just got my battery completely drained.
On her flashlight again.
Just when I felt something touching me on the back of the head, I went, well, first, all of a sudden I felt like I walked into something. Got really, really thick, and I was like, oh my gosh. And then I felt like I got something touched on my head, and then I was like, wait a minute.
I know
Well,
you really don't believe in orbs, but look at that one.
oh my.
Yeah, that's
And
pretty
is that
darn.
around when I started
It's
saying,
really,
but look
I
guys,
had the flashlight and I was kind of looking and then took a picture.
Look,
and I-
Should we walk down there a little
Look,
bit and
guys.
try to do EVPs there?
she just put fresh batteries
I
in
did.
I
ours.
remember, I watched her.